I don't think a normal person's gonna be like, oh, I know exactly how that feels like when I make something.
Oh, I thought you meant like I didn't get. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, when you make someone's shit pop.
Yeah.
It's a weird feeling.
Sure.
You hear it and you feel it, and it's like, what the fuck?
Well, see that I think that's unique to you because you didn't grow up with brothers.
Yeah, I didn't.
I grew up with a brother who would beat me up regularly.
Oh.
So I know what it's like to fucking, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That makes sense. Yep. I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you train this week?
I did. Yeah, I trained
every day.
99%.
3 days a week.
3 days a week. Yeah. No, I only trained Monday, Tuesday, but I went twice. Lavo has been teaching, which is really cool. I like his shit.
Monday, he teaches Monday 6 a.m. and 10 a.m.
And 10 a.m.
And
and Tuesday.